Hi and welcome to this video on our intelligent combined fire detection and emergency lighting system, Firescape Plus. Before we start, click the subscribe button and then the bell icon to be notified of all of our new video content. For over a century, Hochiki has been at the forefront of developing reliable life safety solutions that protect people and property worldwide. The Firescape Plus system represents the next evolution in this journey, bringing together two critical safety systems that have traditionally operated independently. Firescape Plus is an innovative integrated system that combines the intelligence of Hochiki's renowned fire detection technology with our world-proven emergency lighting solution. Traditionally, fire detection and emergency lighting have existed as separate entities within a building's infrastructure, each requiring their own wiring, control panels and maintenance regimes. Firescape Plus changes this paradigm by integrating both functions into a single cohesive network. The system utilises Hochiki's proven Enhanced Systems Protocol, or ESP, allowing fire detection devices and emergency lighting to communicate seamlessly across the same network infrastructure. There's just one control panel which monitors and controls both the fire detection devices and the emergency lighting components. This creates a true intelligent ecosystem where information is shared between all devices to enhance safety responses during an emergency. Firescape Plus utilises energy-efficient LED technology and intelligent control to significantly reduce power consumption compared to traditional systems. The emergency luminaires operate on extra low voltage, making installation simpler and more cost-effective. During an emergency, Firescape Plus can dynamically adapt. For instance, if a fire is detected in one area of a building, the system can automatically adjust escape route lighting to guide occupants away from danger. And this integration of emergency lighting and fire detection into a single system offers numerous benefits that impact everything from installation and maintenance to overall safety performance and cost effectiveness. Let's examine these advantages in more detail. First, Firescape Plus dramatically simplifies installation. By utilising a single wiring infrastructure for both fire detection and emergency lighting, installation time and costs are significantly reduced. This shared network eliminates redundant cabling and connection points, streamlining the entire process. The system also offers substantial cost savings throughout its life cycle. Not only are initial installation costs reduced, but ongoing maintenance becomes more efficient. With a single system to maintain rather than two separate ones, testing and maintenance routines can be consolidated, reducing labour hours and associated costs. One of the most significant advantages is the enhanced safety performance. When fire detection and emergency lighting work together as an integrated system, the response to emergency situations becomes more intelligent and adaptive. For example, if smoke is detected blocking a particular exit route, the system can automatically adjust the emergency lighting to direct occupants towards alternative exits. This dynamic response capability simply isn't possible with separate non-communicating systems. Firescape Plus also excels in its monitoring capabilities. The system continuously monitors every connected device from smoke detectors to emergency luminaires, ensuring that any faults are immediately identified and reported. This comprehensive monitoring significantly improves reliability compared to traditional systems. Sustainability is another key advantage. The energy-efficient LED technology used in Firescape Plus luminaires, combined with the intelligent control capabilities, results in significantly lower power consumption compared to traditional emergency lighting systems. This not only reduces environmental impact, but also delivers substantial energy cost savings over the system's lifetime. So those are some of the features and benefits of the Firescape Plus system. Let's take a look in detail at the products within the range. At the heart of this system is the Firescape Plus control panel. It manages both the fire detection devices and the emergency lighting components through Hochiki's ESP protocol. Each panel is supplied with one loop, but is expandable up to 4 loops with the use of additional loop cards. The panel features an intuitive user interface that provides comprehensive system information at a glance. There's also a repeater panel available. Up to 127 fire detection devices and/or emergency lighting devices can be connected to each loop. And for the larger installations, up to 12 panels can be networked together to form a 48-loop system. The panel automatically performs all required testing of both the emergency lighting system and the fire detection system, maintaining detailed logs for compliance purposes. Its sophisticated software enables custom configuration to meet the specific requirements of any building environment. Firescape Plus integrates seamlessly with Hochiki's range of EN54 approved ESP intelligent fire detection, control and alarm devices. This includes the ALN optical smoke sensor, which uses advanced sensing technology to provide reliable early warning of developing fires whilst minimizing false alarms. The ATJ heat sensor, which can provide either fixed temperature or rate of rise heat detection. The ACC multi-sensor combines heat and optical sensing technologies to deliver exceptional performance across various fire conditions and environments. The ACD multi-sensor with CO detection is the latest sensor from Hochiki, and the Firescape Plus system supports 11 of the EN approved modes of operation. Along with sensors, there's a complete suite of input-output modules ranging from input modules and sounder controllers to mains relays and zone monitors. There are 9 CHQ modules in the range in total, each specifically designed to enhance the fire detection system through control or monitoring. The Firescape Plus system also supports the ESP audiovisual alarm products, including a wall sounder beacon, a BAD-rated ceiling beacon, a base sounder and a base sounder beacon. Each sounder in the range features 51 EN-approved tones. The emergency lighting components of the Firescape Plus system include a range of compliant luminaires designed for different applications. Each surface fit unit has integral backup batteries, whilst our recess units feature separate battery packs. Both are trickle charged from the loop lines. In this way, they remain fully charged to provide the recommended 3-hour emergency operation according to British Standards BS 5266 Part 1. Let's look at these in detail. The standard surface fit luminaires come as either open space or corridor escape route varieties, each with specifically designed optics and lenses which direct the light appropriately. They have a low profile design and simply twist fit onto Hochiki's standard mounting base for easy installation. These are backed up by a range of high-powered luminaires which can be mounted as high as 9 meters and still provide the prescribed luminosity at floor level. And to complement these, there are also standard and high-power recessed luminaires in the range, negating the use of a mounting base and providing a more aesthetically pleasing profile. Within BS 5266 Part 1, it is recommended that an emergency light is fitted to illuminate the final exit of an escape route from a building. So, 2 weatherproof luminaire enclosures are also available to facilitate this. Complementing the luminaires, there is also a full suite of directional exit signs available, consisting of an exit sign frame and separate legends. Each unit features integral backup batteries and comes as either 20 meters or 40 meters viewable, and static or adaptive, both featuring the ISO 7010 legend designs for forward, down, left and right. The adaptive signs can display a red X in place of the green running man symbol, and this is controlled by cause and effect programming at the panel, using data from the fire detection devices to determine where a fire is located. In this way, building occupants can be safely directed through a building in a fire emergency. Firescape Plus, a unique combined intelligent fire detection and emergency lighting system from Hochiki, saving costs reducing false alarms and simplifying maintenance. Thank you for watching this video on our combined fire detection and emergency lighting system, Firescape Plus. To learn more and to download further information, please visit our website at the address that will appear on the screen in a moment. You can also follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook, or sign up to our monthly email newsletter to keep up to date with our latest news. See you next time.